Let's see what is the difference between multiprocessing versus multitasking. Multiprocessing uses two or more CPUs or cores to execute multiple processes simultaneously. Multitasking allows multiple tasks to run by sharing CPU time on a single CPU or multiple CPUs. Multiprocessing achieves true parallel execution of processes. Multitasking achieves concurrent execution through time sharing. Multiprocessing requires multiple processing units. Multitasking can work with a single processing unit. Multiprocessing mainly improves system performance and processing speed. Multitasking mainly improves user experience and responsiveness. Multiprocessing is commonly used in high-performance computing systems. Multitasking is commonly used in desktop and mobile operating systems. Multiprocessing has higher hardware requirements. Multitasking has lower hardware requirements. Multiprocessing executes separate processes independently. Multitasking switches rapidly between tasks to create the illusion of simultaneous execution. Multiprocessing increases throughput by distributing workloads across processors. Multitasking increases efficiency by utilizing CPU idle time effectively. Multiprocessing provides better fault isolation between processes. Multitasking focuses on managing multiple tasks within the operating system. Multiprocessing is ideal for CPU-intensive applications. Multitasking is ideal for running multiple applications at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.